Namaste to all. Let's practice Siddhoham Kriya. There are 5 steps in Siddhoham Kriya. First is surrender, Ishwar Pranidhan. Second is connection, be in the moment. Third is prayer, pray beyond ourselves. Fourth is receive, be open to receive. And fifth is gratitude. Feel gratitude for everything what we have. Now stand straight, gently and slowly close your eyes. Keep your both hands by the side of your body. Now cut yourself from the outer world and try to connect your mind with your body, with your breath, with your practice. First, surrender. ईश्वर प्राणिधान, ईश्वर के प्रति समर्पित कर देना खुद को. Allow the universe to use the energy and powers through you. Without any expectations, without any ego, just surrender yourself. I surrender, I surrender, I surrender. Now keep your both hands in Namaste Mudra. Connection, be in the moment. Disconnect yourself from the surroundings. Disconnect yourself from thoughts and fears and try to connect yourself with the divine energy. Feel the connection with Mother Earth. Feel the connection with Mother Nature. And now feel how beautiful this connection is. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now third prayer. Bring your both arms up above your head and pray beyond ourselves. We are selfless. We are looking for something from the universe. We are praying for healing for those who really need it. Pray for positivity. Pray for happiness. Pray for health. Now you are sending love out. You are sending healing out. You are sending positivity, wealth and abundance out to those who really need it. Now fourth, receive. Bring your both hands in Prapti Mudra and be open to receive. I am open to receive without any expectation. Just allow to receive. We are receiving energy from the universe. We are receiving positivity from the universe. If you are not feeling कि आप कुछ रिसीव नहीं कर रहे हैं, just feel it. Just practice this kriya. Now last step is gratitude. Be grateful for what we have. When we are grateful for what we have, we are actually rewarded more and more. Feel gratitude for the energies, for powers, for the experiences, for all the opportunities that come on your way, for everything. Now gently rub your both palms together. Keep your both hands on your eyes. Slowly and gently open your eyes and relax. Thank you so much.